my name is Jen and welcome to Lean Balanced Kitchen. So today we are grilling some asparagus and we're just gonna simply season them with some garlic powder, salt, pepper, squeeze a little bit of lemon and then drizzled oil to get that really nice chariness outside and really nice crunchy asparagus. But if you're thinking, I don't like asparagus, can I use all this seasoning with some other kind of veggies? Yes, you can. Grilled zucchini, bell pepper, mushroom, whatever you like, and use the same seasoning. Just don't forget to drizzle some oil because that also helps lift up the flavor and give that nice grill marks and charring of the veggies. So let's go ahead and start. Wash and dry the asparagus well, and then cut the bottom part where it's hard and tough. And then we're gonna line them on a baking sheet pan. Drizzle some olive oil. I also season them with salt, garlic powder, a little bit of ground pepper, and I squeeze about half of the lemon juice. And then toss and coat them well. And then at this point, heat the grill pan with oil. Then start grilling the asparagus. And once they're tender and you see grill marks, then they're ready. Alright, so simple enough. So go ahead and grill any veggies you like and season them with the seasonings that I added to this asparagus, and then drizzle some oil. Just don't forget to drizzle that oil. So my lovelies, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And for more recipes, head on to my website, leanbalanceedkitchen.com. Until then, have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.